Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Guys, if it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Capricorn, what are the messages for Capricorn and what's going on? Messages for Capricorn. Okay. Under the deck, 3 of Wands, Empress and 7 of Wands. I think you are stand by your power, Capricorn, or you want to stand by your power. And 3 of Wands, maybe you turn your back from your person, but still waiting on them. And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So let's see your reading. Capricorn, recent past, 4 of Wands, clarification cards, 9 of Swords, 2 of Swords and the Star. So recent past, everything was going perfect, but something happened suddenly. 9 of Swords energy. You want this celebration, you want this happiness, but suddenly something happened between you and your person. Then you were in depression and anxiety energy. And lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you, Capricorn. I think you're still hoping on this connection. Yes, because you're still waiting on them. Definitely lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Then present, Knight of Cups, clarification cards, death, 9 of Wands and King of Swords. So it was one type of ending between you and your person. Right now you guarded up. Now you're stubborn, because you are in King of Swords energy and 9 of Wands. You are guarded up, but someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. Romance in the air, because Knight of Cups, someone is coming to offer their love to you. This person have romantic feelings for you. And for some, this could be a past person, or for some, this could be a new person, depending upon your situation. Then future, Pisces and clarification card, Fool, King of Wands and the Sun. I think you are manifesting something big into your life. There is big happiness is coming into your life, Capricorn, and you will be in this energy in future, living in the present moment and going with the flow. And you will on your power. Yeah, King of Wands, and you are very, very passionate about your life, about your career, and there is big happiness is coming into your life. And I think someone want brand new beginnings with you. Yeah. And for some, kids also involved in this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their actions, Capricorn. So their current feelings and their actions towards you. So their current feelings, Chariot and clarification cards, 10 of Swords and 10 of Pentacles, and under the deck, 2 of Cups. Definitely this love is mutual between you and your person. You both have strong soulmate connection. But there are some issues, there is some drama is going between you and your person. But they are rushing to communicate with you. They want to communicate with you. But they are in slow moving energy, Capricorn, because the Chariot. and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. So your person is very very tired. They're very very sad, but they want rebirth in this connection, Capricorn. Ten of Swords, and they're thinking about stability in this connection. They really want to offer stability, and they're taking their steps slow, but they're coming back. Yes, Chariot. They wanna make a move towards you. These are their feelings. Let's see their actions. Their actions, Emperor, clarification cards, Four of Cups, and Hierophant. Again, under the deck, Two of Cups. I think they're missing you so much. So they're ready to offer commitment because Emperor with Hierophant. Yeah, they're ready to offer commitment. For some, they are not expressing. Maybe they are waiting on you because for some your person have ego problems, but definitely they really want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level because the Emperor with Hierophant, right now they're missing you so much. So what I'm getting here, definitely they wanna brand new beginnings with you. They wanna communicate with you. For some it will take some time because right now your person maybe have some ego problems, but they really want to commit to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, even though there are some issues or illusions between you and your person have a lot of passion towards you. They still want brand new beginnings with you. Even though it is one type of ending between both of you, they still want you back. Yeah, there is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. See, Ten of Pentacles. I think you want stability, you want marriage, and that is coming. What you are wishing for, it is coming, it is on the way. Capricorn, yes. You still have strong emotions towards this person, Queen of Cups, and you want stability, you want happy marriage. Right now, you are also missing them. You both missing each other a lot. So let's see mutual energy and lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Could be another Capricorn also. Empress and yeah, Six of Pentacles. I think you both are very powerful and independent people, and Six of Pentacles, definitely stability is coming, equal give and take is coming. Maybe in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Right now you both are healing, you both are taking rest, but in future definitely there is some changes coming in this relationship. Equal give and take is coming. Yeah, lots of communication. Right now you both are not talking with each other, you both are stubborn, but future definitely there will be lots of communication is coming. Yeah, equal give and take is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Decision time. I want to be honest with you. Will you forgive me? And long distance relationship. So the messages are decision time. I want to be honest with you. Will you forgive me? And long distance relationship. So these are the messages from your person and through the channel. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Nothing is yet set in stone, mutable moon. So for some it will take some time because due to your person have ego problems or other circumstances. For some it will take time, I already told you. And the second message, your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. For some definitely your hard work is paying off right now. If not, it will. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.